Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Noman, and once again I'm here with a video with a new problem. Just received this card yesterday, and this is the display we have. So when I was just checking this card, the problem was that the motor was not running. So I checked up all the things like this MOSFET, these ICs, resistances. I checked all the things and just I was confused that what's the issue. I have one thought that it might be a faulty controller. So this is a common issue, and this is a common thing. It is a very small mistake where normally the repair guy make. So I was just stuck in this kind of issue. Normally in these treadmill cars there are normally when you have transformer, then there are two windings output. One is normally giving 12 to 15 voltage, and the next one is giving 18 to 22 volts. So this bridge rectifier is powered by these two AC voltages that come from this transformer, and same we have another bridge rectifier, this one. So when I was just checking this card and I've checked all the things, then I found that this is basically the 220 input, and these are output 1 and this is the output 2. So when the power was fed to this circuit on AC, then it was giving the output, but as you can see that this is basically the small bridge rectifier, this one. I'm talking about this bridge rectifier. This one gives the output to the above console circuit, and this is the thing that is giving power to the all control system here. So I just saw that transformer is giving the output on these points, but there is a jumper that will take voltages from this part to this. This will go to the one part of the bridge rectifier, and from here it will here, and it will go to this path into the second output. Now what was the issue? The issue was I was thinking that the jumper is okay and the voltage has been fed to the bridge rectifier, but I was wrong. When I just checked the continuity by looking the wire, it is showing that it is continued, it is a okay wire. But when I just checked, then I saw that basically the problem was that the control system bridge rectifier is not fed up with the power. That's why nothing is working. The card is showing display because that display rectifier is getting the voltages, but the rectifier that control all the circuit is not getting the power. So basically this normally in our repairing the major issues are very easier to identify, but when we go towards the minor issues, we just see that these issues are not solvable. So this is all. I just made the video to help you guys while repairing this kind of issues. Thank you. At the end, like my channel, subscribe it, and share it to your friends. Thank you. For the office.